We all know wiring is the most time-consuming stage of panel building. Up to 70% of assembly time in some cases, and that's without accounting for time spent on training the staff. The solution, WPC. Automate the wire manufacturing, guide the user through the process and reduce personnel training time. Sounds easy, except you can't do that without data from a 3D digital twin. The easiest way to create that data, by using ETAP Electricl 3D panel. Our simple and intuitive user interface enables fast training and proficiency. There's no need to be a professional 3D mechanical modeler to create a panel's digital twin. Leverage our best-in-class wire routing algorithm to automatically create and route the wires. Efficiently anticipate manufacturing issues by checking the cable fill and identifying room for optimization. With a validated design, export data in the native Weidmüller WPC format. Adding ETAP Electricl 3D panel and WPC to your workflow ensures that data is quickly and accurately created. Efficiency increase up to 80% compared to manual work. Imagine the time saved on a panel with over 1,000 wires. Take the next step into the future of panel building with Electricl 3D panel and WPC to apply Industry 4.0 efficiencies to your wire manufacturing process.